Ingay-ingay mo. Ingay-ingay mo bata ka. Dito ka kay ate. Mamaya, pagising yan. Dala-dala na to for sure. Hayaan na lang muna natin. Tulog pa siya. Good morning! Happy Saturday! Relaxing na sila. Kakatapos lang nito maligo. Sinabay ko to nung nag-shower ako. So, patulog na to. May dami na yan. Patulog na yan, guys. You're okay, matey. You're okay. You're okay. Hello. I love your outfit. I love your outfit, little man. Hey, I love your outfit. It's so good. It's so nice. I love it. Oh, dami yan banana. What? Si Ate Ayla tulog pa din, guys, hanggang ngayon. Ang ganda ng outfit ko. Binibenta ko to. Pero nag-mind din ako, ay. Kasi ang ganda, oh. Pack. Cords na padded. Fit na fit siya sa akin. Ang ganda. May pockets pa. Rust. Marami akong kulay nito, eh. May light pink, may black. Dinalhan ko si Miss ng black na to. Speaking of tinda, punta tayo sa kanyang tindahan, guys. Kuha tayo ng sleepwear. Kasi aalis pala kami ngayon. Punta kami ng Rotorua. So, pili tayo ng sleepwear dito. Kasi I need sleepwear. Magla-live kami pagbalik namin. Tutulungan ko sila mag-live. Ano ba yung sleepwear na dadali natin? Ito maganda. Yung ano, maliit lang ba? Huwag yung malaki. Maganda to, leaves. Ay, ito din maganda din to. Si Miss na lang papiliin natin ang sleepwear. Maganda din to, guys. Hala. Ano ha? Nagla-live selling siya. Ito yung mga binibenta niya, oh. Ayan. Rich Steps. Ililive ko yung link sa baba. Ay, meron din siyang ganito, oh. Ang ganda ng mga padded-padded. Walang ganda nito, oh. Patay ka, nandito talaga tayo sa kanyang tindahan. Yan yung tinulungan namin siya ayusin kagabi. Kasi may box yan dumating. So, naayos na namin. Kailangan niya na lang yan i-label. But, I need sleepwear. Saan ba dito maganda, guys? Ito, no? Meron pa pala. Sleepwear pala itong mga to, oh. Wait, pili lang ako, guys, ha? Oh, my make. Ang cute nito. Double XL din. Malaki man to, sis. May kape na din ako dito. Ginawa na ko ng kape ni Michelle or ni Sissy. Hindi ko alam kung sino, but thank you very much. Si Arlo matutulog na yan. Si Dan nandun sa taas, nire-ready niya yung kanyang damit. Kasi yung damit namin ng mga kids ready na. Oh, she's awake. Isla's awake. Shh. Who's sleeping? Baby? Oh no. Shh. Good morning, ate. You had a long sleep, baba. Oh, my love. Anong oras na, oh? 11 na. She had a really long sleep. We'll give you breakfast, okay? Gustong-gusto niya yung baby niya. Binili ng mga tita niya sa kanya. Katabi niya yan matulog kagabi. You like baby? Oh, shh, shh, shh. Oh, matey. Put the dummy back. Okay. Alright. Okay, can I get it? Oh. There you go. Oh, my love. Oh, in your car too? What? Wow. Naka-ready na yung damit niyan. The clothes that's on the side table, that's her clothes. That's what she's wearing today.
Yeah.
Huh? Baby. It's a baby. Oh, ang ganda naman ng mga anak ko. Ay, my kids. Malap. Oh. Tawa si Ayla, Michelle.
Hi, good morning.
Happy kayo siya. Taas ang gigtog. Oo. Eh?
Morning, Ayla. What did you want to eat?
Oh, Tita Michelle's asking, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat?
This one, Ayla.
Ooh! Oh, lolo.
Ayla.
Come on. Tita Michelle's getting your breakfast ready. Sige na. Gusto siya mo gawas ata, Michelle. Okay, come on. Out.
Which one do you like?
Oh, choose. Which one? Lalalang. Panilap ba ya?
Which one, Eileen?
Uy, sige na. Are we ready? A car. No. Is Alo ready? Alo. Hello, Mickey. You're ready. You're very full. Yes, I'm ready, Mom. Are you a ready boy? Hello, my little boy. Michelle's driving. Danny boy's gonna be at the front again. The man. Danny boy, the man.
Dai, I'll give you the address. I don't know. We're gonna eat first, man. Yeah.
Are we gonna eat up there? Right, Rotorua?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
$85 per person.
No, per house.
For like this.
Yeah,
But the Filipino one was only $55.
50, yeah.
Massage, magpa-massage kami ni Dan, uy.
They're normally 60. They're normally $1 a minute, but maybe.
Feel mo sa relax.
Yeah, ang sakit ng katawan ko lately. Ang sakit na ng aking body, okay?
Arlo, ari unta ka, oy.
Arlo, di mo na stay at the back, matey.
Wala kasing connection mo. Wala yung metal na bar.
Hala, nakita mo yung car? Accident.
Ano, accident, Dai?
Yeah. That was in here.
So when you guys are going to the gym,
Nag-ano
what
ako
gym you guys
litat.
go to?
Gym.
Yeah.
We don't go to the gym anymore.
But when you were.
We lived in there.
Kaya pa, sis? Kaya mo pa dyan, sis?
It's like 10 minutes away.
Ayaw ni Michelle dito.
Kasi nag-knitted ka man, sis. Kaya alimuot. Ikaw na dyan ang nag-knitted. We're here, guys, sa Rotorua. Ang ganda ng view. Nashock ako sa view. Ang ganda ng view papunta dito. Hindi pa nga ito yung maganda ha. Next year, babalik kami dun kami sa maganda talaga. Punta tayo sa 8th Street. Yeah, that's one. The other one was sort of an nakapili na kami CBK. Ang laki ng tawa ni Daddy. Nakita niyo si Arlo. Tingnan niyo si Arlo, guys. Yeah. Hello, May.
Let's put him in the middle.
Yeah, sige.
So just both got an eye on him.
Hey!
Ito na iba kawasan si Ayla na ito siya.
Oh, I like the photos. Nice. Hala, lobster tail. Oh yeah.
Okay, you wanna open the book?
Oh, di ba naghahanap na ako ng puro picture? Wala nang picture. Sige.
Nice.
Happy kay Ayla, oh. Dito na yung iba naming order. So, Isla's chicken tenders with fries. And we got 2 kinds of, oysters. Ganahan sila. O, magusto pala nila yung fresh. Ayoko niyan. Ito yung atin, babe. Na. I just don't like the look of it. Yeah, na. Yeah, ayaw namin ng raw. This looks really good though, ours.
Oh, it's still hot.
Yummy?
Still hot.
Yum. Kain tayo, guys.
Mainit naman di ay.
Nice. Ooh. Oh, yum.
Thank you.
Thank you. We got everything? You what? That's not milk. That's butter. It's butter, okay?
This is my pork belly.
Nasi goreng kay Michelle. Pork belly kamis. Ang sarap tingnan nung kay Miss.
Ayan kay Ayla.
Yung akin baby back ribs. Hello boy, what do you want, matey?
Hey.
Do you want fries? Look, Daddy's giving you some. Look. Dan's got burger. Wait. Tapos na kami kumain, nandito na kami sa market. Meron silang pa-market na paganap dito. Ang saya ni Ayla. My dog.
Good dog,
Di ba nahilig ka sa Dreamcatcher, Miss?
Oo, pero asa lang ko na utang.
The black one looks good, oh.
You don't need one. You already got your dream.
Good one, my love. The rainbows look good, oh. The rainbows look good, Miss. Yeah. Dagan sila rainbow sa sudpod, oh. Yeah. I know. Looks really good.
Where to put it in your luggage though?
Cute. Oh, I like the rainbows. Ang cute sa rainbow. Arlo, look, mate. Do you like that, matey? Merong mga flat lang dito. Maganda for sa luggage pa kung travel. Ang cute. Meron din, oh. Ang ganda ng kakulayan. Mga pastel. Rainbow. Ang cute. Uy. You're too tall. I'm the perfect one.
Yeah, either
Ayla's too short. You're too short, Bob. Lalo, lagi kuha ka niya, Miss. O, tora. Mahadlok ka? Go. Go. No, it's okay. Just go with her. Ayla. I have to pay. Do you wanna pay, babe?
They take card, I'll pay.
I've got cash.
Who's the person who pays?
Natatakot si tita. Okay na ka? Ayaw ni Miss. Dala-dala ko kasi si Arlo. Ayun na si Miss.
That one?
She's on that one. No. Well, let's just let her. Maybe it's too tall for her, that one. She's scared. Ayla's not. si Miss may gahad na hadlok. Ala. Go, Ayla.
Sierra daw Osachi.
Sige, Soye. She'll try with just Ayla.
Come on. Kami na, be.
Hadlok man siya. Si Ayla, hadlok. Go, Ayla!
Isip siya, che, na.
Go, Ayla! Sige!
One, two.
Sunod na lang, sunod na lang. Oh! Aris pikas, miss, oh?
I mean, that's why.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
I have to hold it though. You can't.
Oh, she will hold it.
Okay.
Ay, kamayan na nagkakain.
Oh, bad luck, Isla. You miss out.
I have a reference.
Oh my gosh, Isla. What flavor? Ah, just berry. Yeah.
She's so strong, she should crush it in her hand and try and take it away.
Ala.
Isla.
Hey,
Lick it.
lick your ice cream.
Come on, before Daddy eats it.
Liwat tita.
Boy, careful, babe. She might jump.
Mga black swans.
Such a boss.
Isla.
Bye, Isla. Dito na pala kami sa accommodation. Ang ganda. Nandyan na yung car. And paglabas mo sa garage, ang ganda ng pinili ni Miss. Si Miss yung nagbook nito eh. Ayun. Dito yung high chair. Ang ganda, guys. Very nice. Oh. Ang labas. Ang ganda ng labas. Ang ganda ng aesthetic din, Miss. Ng bahay. Yeah, I like the colors. Andun na si Dan sa labas at saka si Ayla. Nalobat ako, guys. Tapos yung luggage namin nandun pa sa kabila. Nandun sa car. Ito yung room ni Miss at saka ni Michelle. May mga mommies. May mga mommies. Si Arlo, tingnan niya. Tingnan niya si Arlo, ha? Dito na si Arlo. Good night, matey! Good night!
I wish you just spread up dirty washing here, just washed it.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda, Miss. Good job ka, Miss Da. Ang ganda ng view, oh. Sa labas. Good job man si Tita Rich. Tulog to sa car, eh. Paglapag ko sa kanya dito, nakita niya yung labas. Na-shock siya. Uy, sabi niya, nasaan na naman tayo, ma'am? Ibang bahay na naman, ma'am. Are you happy? Oh! Meron ding bathroom. Each room. So, may bathroom dun. Mamaya ilipat ko to si Arlo dito sa kabila. Kasi, hindi tayo makadaan. Parang, like it?
That's very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
And then you can chill outside.
Kids are sleeping. Little Isla's asleep. You can't see Isla, but you have to trust me, he's in there. And Raz is sleeping as well. And we're waiting for the girls to come back for our dinner. Hurry up, girls. Hurry up.
Ganda naman sa gabi. Dito na sila guys. Nag-order sila ng food. Oh, nag-pick up. Oh, yum. Korean to? Korean no? Japanese. Japanese. Oh, kaya nga. I got the chicken, chicken katsu. This is mine. Ooh, dumplings. This is ano, eyeless. Wow, ang dami naman. Ah, pwede naman ang leftover nito for tomorrow. Oh, what day leftover day? Is this for Ayla? Hindi Ayla.
Oh, Ayla?
Yeah. Iiwan namin ang mga bata. Pupunta kami ng Kmart. Oh.
The foot brake on your car, Sissy. The foot brake on your car, that's like the...
And we're here sa Kmart. Just me and Danny boy. Why?
They got Bed Bath & Beyond.
Oh. Do you wanna go there, my love?
We don't have that there. No.
We don't have Bed Bath &
No,
Beyond.
it's not an American. They've got some American stuff that we don't have in Australia.
Bed Bath & Beyond. Ah.
Maybe it's in Melbourne, Sydney, both.
What do we have? We have something, Bed Bath. We have something. Bili lang tayo ng bathers, swimwear. Kasi kami na talaga ni Dan ang mag-ano bukas. Gagala na naman na kami lang dalawa. Hindi namin kasama yung mga bata pero tingnan si Daddy. Cocomelon pa din for Ate Ayla. That's cute. Yeah, she'll wear that. What else? Ano ba yung pinunta natin dito, babe? Hello, cute man yung color, babe. Oh, I like to. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I like that.
What's that?
Oh, that is so cute. I love the color.
Does she need more size 2 stuff or not really?
No, not really. She doesn't really need any clothes, babe. Pero may cocomelon. Good. Oh, yeah, that's cute too.
Look at that. That's like a nice little one piece.
Yeah. We're done sa...
Sissy, pick up your phone.
Yeah. Siya na talaga. Sabi namin, pag kailangan namin kayo, tatawagan namin kayo. Pinadala kasi nila sa amin yung phone ni Michelle. Kasi of course, wala kaming phone dito. Tinatawagan namin sila kasi gusto naming maglagay ng petrol sa car. Hindi namin alam kung ano yung petrol. Hindi siya sumasagot. Siya na talaga ang hindi sumasagot. Anyway, tapos na kami sa Kmart. Nabili na namin kailangan naming bilhin. Yun nga lang, bathers lang guys for tomorrow. Kasi mag-ano kami ni Dan. Mud spa. Char! Kami na talaga ang mag-mud spa.
Yep, that's fine.
Yes, just me and Danny boy in the morning.
Wow.
Wow! 11:53 na guys. Asa na yung bata? Gusto niya lumabas. Gusto niya mag-shoes. Dala-dala niya shoes niya, oh. Kasi si Tita Rich at siya kasi Tita Michelle lumabas. Nag-spa. May spa dun sa labas. Gabing-gabi na guys. Nag-spa yung dalawa. Yung hot tub ba? Mayroong hot tub dun. Hindi nyo nakita kasi ang dilim-dilim na. Pero hindi ko alam kung napakita ko yun kanina. But yeah, we can't see it. But yeah, we need to sleep. Kasi maaga pa kami ni Dan bukas. Hala, shoes. Shoes? Tomorrow, okay? Shoes tomorrow. Get some sleep na. Naka-sleepwear ka na. Tomorrow, lagi. Tomorrow. I said tomorrow. Okay, say goodnight to the guys. Come on. Say goodnight. Say goodnight. Blow kisses.
Someone's calling.
Kausap na niya yung tita niya. O, nandun lang sa spa. Do you wanna go to Tita Rich? Yeah? Are you talking to her? Sige, talk to her. Hello. Mama. Mama? Talk to Tita Rich.